Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Node-RED flows for smart home scenes, full guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring Node-RED flows for your smart home scenes, ensure you have Node-RED installed and running on your system. Open your web browser and navigate to the Node-RED editor. Create a new flow by clicking on the plus icon in the top right corner. Start by dragging in the inject node from the left sidebar. Double-click the inject node to open its configuration. Set the payload type to string and enter a description of your smart home scene, such as good morning or movie night. Click Done to save your changes. Next, drag in a function node from the left sidebar. Connect the output of your inject node to the input of the function node. Double-click the function node to open its configuration. In the function code area, write a JavaScript function that defines the actions for your smart home scene. For example, you might set the lights, adjust the thermostat, or turn on the TV. After writing the function, click Done to save your work. Now, drag in the appropriate nodes for the devices you want to control, such as Home Assistant or MQTT nodes. Connect the output of the function node to the input of these device nodes. Configure each device node by double-clicking on it and filling in the necessary details, like device IDs or IP addresses. Make sure to test each connection by clicking the Deploy button in the top right corner. Return to your inject node and click the button to send the initial payload. Watch for output in the debug panel on the right to confirm that your functions are executing as expected. Edit your function as needed to fine-tune the behavior of your smart home scene. Feel free to add more inject nodes for additional scenes and repeat the above steps for each one. Once satisfied with all scenes, ensure you save your flow by clicking on the menu in the top right corner and selecting Save. Finally, you have successfully configured Node-RED flows for your smart home scenes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.